value SERP enormously, and they appreciate your appropriate. It is important to note the President's reminder in recent days that July 2011 will mark the beginning of a process, not the date when the U.S. heads for the exits and turns out the lights. As he explained this past Sunday, in fact, we'll need to provide assistance to Afghanistan for a long time to come, as their troopers have deployed and continued to raise their right hands time and time again. I want to assure the mothers and fathers of those fighting in Afghanistan that I see it as a moral imperative to bring all assets to bear to protect our men and women in uniform and the Afghan security forces with whom ISAF troopers are fighting shoulder to shoulder. Those on the ground must have all the support they need when they are in a tough situation. One of America's greatest presidents, Teddy Roosevelt, once observed that far and away the best prize that life has to offer. Recent months in Afghanistan have, as you noted, Mr. Chairman, seen tough fighting and tough casualties. This was expected. Indeed, as I noted in testimony last year and again earlier this year, the going inevitably gets tougher before it gets easier when a counterinsurgency operation tries to reverse insurgent momentum. My sense is that the tough fighting will continue. Indeed, it may get more intense in the next few months. As we take away the enemy's safe havens and reduce the enemy's freedom of action, the insurgents will fight back. Would be an important contribution.
Thank you very much, General. Senator McCain.
Thank you, General. What we need to hear from the President, what our friends and enemies in Afghanistan and the region need to hear, is that the withdrawal of U.S. forces from Afghanistan will be determined solely by conditions on the ground.
The Vice President's been quoted as saying about this particular topic, come July. So a lot of liberal people in this country are being told, directly and indirectly, we're getting out beginning July 2011. How fast, I don't know, but we're beginning to leave. And somebody needs to get it straight without doubt what the hell we're going to do come July, because I think it determines whether or not someone in Afghanistan is going to stay in the fight.
And I think that has all been very positive.